Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to showcase two of my favorite monthly makeup subscription boxes. One of them happens to be Boxycharm, and here it is right here. And then the second one happens to be my IPSY, and here it is right here. I've done reviews on IPSY before on my channel, so I'll link that video down below. I know they're not in the same price range, but they're pretty. I mean, if you're a first-time beginner and you don't want to go out and spend a lot of money, these two subscriptions will definitely get you on your way. I know I started with these two and I haven't stopped. I love these two subscriptions. They're my favorite. So if you guys want to stick around and learn a little bit more about Boxycharm and IPSY, then just keep watching. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start off with IPSY. You do get other things like hair products, skincare, makeup, brushes, like anything you can think of, you're gonna get in your IPSY bag. But the only thing is like they come in these little small travel size. They are 5 beauty products. There is free shipping, and I mean, for your buck, for $10 a month, I mean, why not, right? So with my bag this month, this is the bag that I got. It's a cute little, kind of reminds me of like summery picnic. I don't know why, but this is the bag that I got. And then the first items that I got when I got my pink bag were these two sheet masks. And one of them is, this sheet is bananas. This is the hydrating sheet mask, and I'm probably going to be using this one more because I do have dry skin. So this is definitely the one I'm looking forward to, and the names are awesome, by the way. You can't handle this sheet, and this is a purifying sheet mask. I love sheet masks. I love, you know, on a weekend, nothing to do, and you just want to chill, put on a sheet mask, put your hair up, put sweatpants on, and just chill. Each product comes with this little card. So as soon as you open up your IPSY bag, you get this little card, and this is the card that we got for this month. It has new year, more products, more focus on you. And on the back, it just has like tips and techniques and more information for you to read. I mean, that's really all it is. You can literally read all this on ipsy.com. Take a profile test, see what they choose for you, and for $10, I mean, it's pretty good. The first item that I got here was this Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner, and I do have this product on my hair right now. This stuff smells so good, and it's a sprayer, so it's not like it's a sprayer, so it's not a cream or anything. Yeah, I mean, for Way products, I'm sure you guys know that Way is pretty expensive, but I mean, for this to come out in a $10, you already got your money back with this item just right here. So that's one of my products that I got. Another one that I got was this lip gloss in Fluide. Hope I'm saying that right. And it is a blue tint to it, but it doesn't really show. I do have it on my lips right now. It gives it that extra glossy look. It is a bit sticky, but I'm not sure if that's the lipstick or the lip gloss. But I mean, I like it so far. So that's the other item that I got from my bag. The fourth item that I got from my bag that I am wearing right now is this coloring pencil. And I'm not even going to try to say this name because, yeah, I can't even, I can barely speak right now, so yeah. But this is the brand right here. I hope you guys can read that. And it is a brownish coloring pencil. I do have it on my waterline right now. It went on pretty good. I know a lot of people don't like the wood because it does stick a little bit, so I would be careful with that when you are applying it. And the last thing that I got for this month was this VDL Lumilayer primer. I did put this on today. Forewarn you that it does have glitter in it. I did notice that when I was applying it. I was like, why am I looking extra sparkly? And it was because it has glitter in it. It's cute, it's good, especially for someone who doesn't have primer or doesn't know what they like. These are really good products for you to get, so you can try these out. This is mostly for trying new things out. So I've never heard of the brand VDL. I've never heard of the brand Fluide. Like these are brands that no one knows about, and they give you these products, and some of these products I still have in my collection because they're that good. So you can cancel anytime you want. I know I have, just to test it out, because sometimes customer service for certain companies aren't that great, or it's really hard for you to cancel something. So I did try to test that out, and it was actually pretty smooth, pretty good, and I didn't have any issues. That's it for my IPSY. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my Boxycharm. Boxycharm is my favorite. I like IPSY, but I love Boxycharm. They are wonderful. ever since I discovered this on Instagram and friends told me about it, I was like, I want it, I need it, let me try it. And I've had it for almost a year, so I definitely would recommend this box. It is a $21 monthly subscription. You get 5 full products of beauty items. For you to get 5 full products for $21, that is amazing. Like, that is great. Especially since some products are $20 and it only comes like this much, and you get 5 products for $21. So just want you to be aware of that. I'm sure you've heard of Boxycharm, and if not, then I'm happy to inform you. So this month I did get my Boxycharm. I already opened it because I wanted to see what was inside, but here it is. And then they do come with this little card as well, and this month's theme was like boxy and chill, so here it is. And then at the back of the card, it does give you the items that you got. So each box is different. What you may get, I may not get. And what I might get, you may not get. So I do want you to be aware of that. I'm sorry that my voice is crackling. I have been sick. I did lose my voice yesterday. And it's coming back right now. But the more I use it, the more strain I put on it. But I really wanted to do this video, so just bear with me. First item that I see in my box is this Tarte Rainforest with the Sea Volume 3. You did get 1 of 3 palettes in your box this month. I did get the Volume 3 one. I mean, look at that packaging. Isn't it beautiful? It looks like little mermaid scales. It does come with this little how to do 2 different makeup tutorial little sheets. And then one of them is nautically natural and mystical mermaid. So it does come with that in the box. I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you guys can see the colors. This comes in 8 different shades, 1 matte and 7 are shimmer shades. So not a lot of matte options for you. So the only bad thing about it is that you will have to use a different palette. I have it on my eyes today. I did use another palette that I did get from Boxycharm, and that's my Crown Pro palette. This right here. So like I said, if you want to use this palette and you don't want to just use the shimmers, then you're going to have to use another one. So it's $36. I mean, with this alone, you get your money back. The box is $21. So, I mean, you be the judge, but just remember that. I'm going to go ahead and just insert the swatches right here. You guys can see what you're working with. They're pretty cool. They're pretty pigmented. It's definitely a good product to have. The next product that I have right here is the Riscario Milk Repetitive Leave Conditioning Spray, 20 ounces. I got another leave-in conditioning spray in my Boxycharm like I did in my IPSY, but I love conditioning spray. I have very thick hair, so the more the better. I heard good things about this brand as well. This is $12. It also has a pretty good smell. I used this I think about 2 nights ago. I've been using it until I got my IPSY and I started to use the Way one, but I have been using this. I really do like it. My niece likes it as well. She wanted to take it away from me and I told her no. That's right, I'm talking to you. So yeah, it's pretty good. I love it. The next item in the box is Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and I did get this in the shade Miami Fever. I believe there was other options. 1 more shade from this brand, as well as 2 different brands. Like I said, everyone gets a different box. I just happened to get this Ofra lipstick and I love it. It's what I'm wearing today. It's so beautiful and it goes on so good. It dries matte. It's kissable. The only reason it's not kissable right now is because I have that gloss on, but I wanted to test out my products, which is why I used everything together. But I have used this without lip gloss and it is absolutely beautiful, and it stays on your lips like it doesn't move at all. Just be a little bit careful because I have noticed that it does get on my teeth when it is wet like this. So if you put a gloss over it, make sure you keep an eye on your teeth. But yes, definitely good. And this retails for $20, so I like it. The next item that I have in my box is this $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Here it is. And I do have this on my brows today. I'm not a big fan. I must say, I'm so sorry. I love the fact that it's retractable, and I love the fact that it has a spoolie, but it broke on me. Like, as soon as I tried it, it broke. So I'm like, ooh, 10 points taken off for that. This cost $18, which is another reason why I did not like it, was because, I mean, I have Wet n Wild pencils that cost less than that, and they're wonderful. They don't break or anything. So for me to try this on and break all of a sudden, and I didn't even put that much pressure on it, and that's kind of disappointing. So that was another reason why I did not like this pencil. The last item that we got was this Tarte Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and I am super excited. I did try out, we got 2 of these masks. I did try one out. It's very, very hydrating, and it's also very wet, so just be careful when you open it up and take it out. It'll make a mess, but it left my skin so fresh, and I just loved it. So I'm actually sad that I used it because I want to use it for like special occasions now. So I'm definitely gonna hold on to this, and I'm gonna go get some more hopefully. But these are kind of pricey. They're $24 each. So if you are thinking about getting them, I just want you to know they're pretty pricey. But I'm telling you, this left my skin so glowy and refreshing and hydrated that I'm like, whatever, just take my money kind of thing. But yeah, so with this alone, that like you get your money back. So come on and go get you a Boxycharm, go sign up. Both subscriptions, all you do is sign up, do a profile test, and they will do everything else for you. You tell them what you like, how you like it, when you like it, and they'll just bring it to you. That's pretty much how it works. So yeah. So like I said, they're both great subscriptions, whichever one works for you. Like, do you want the full product or do you want the travel size product? I mean, really, like, these 2 things are the same thing. They're both leave-in conditioners, except one of them is travel size and the other one is a full product. I like both of them, and I'm going to continue to subscribe until they pretty much give me shitty products and I don't want them anymore. But I really doubt that's going to happen. Okay, to wrap it up, I want to thank everybody for watching my video. I really do appreciate your support. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you want more of these videos, or leave me a comment down below, and I will see you again. Bye. A month subscribe. Do I have lipstick in my hate? Oh my god. See, this is why I can't wear nice things. Okay. Oh, it's recording. Bye. Boxycharm.